Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show one of my favorite tools to do tonal value in my drawings. Yes, it's this water brush. I have currently two water brushes. One is filled with water, one is filled with fountain pen ink. At the moment it's filled with this sunshine yellow from Diamine ink. I am talking about the one filled with ink today. It's sort of equivalent of famous Tombow marker or any type of water-based marker or brush pens. But this one is far more customizable. I have filled with these three inks so far with only one brush pen. I have had the difficulty to use with other colors, especially these kind of color markers. I usually hesitate to go over different color because the pen marker or brush takes other color on the paper and change the color they are supposed to be drawing, you know. But with this water brush pen, I can paint over with different color without hesitation, and I can wash it off like I do with the watercolor. It doesn't take too much to come back up the original color that I filled with. So I usually use this brush pen for backdrops for drawings, lighting some titles. And these days I started to do tonal value with these colors, and I'm loving it so far. I put a lot of water and a little bit of ink, and it produces beautiful color. I can use this strong color as mid-tone, or I can wash in the water and make it paler color, or I can poke with other brush pen that I filled with water so it would make it paler. It's filled with fountain pen ink, so in theory, it's not supposed to clog the brush pen. But I have to admit it has clogged before. But also, I have to say I disassembled it and managed to unclog it. It might happen if you mix multiple color or change color every time like me. I have Stettler blush and Kletake brush, and I am guessing it shares same water flowing mechanic. So here's how I disassemble it and put it together. But you should go watch other YouTuber video. To be honest, that's how I learned how to disassemble a water brush. I will link it down below, the one I watched. But basically, push the brush part towards the screw part and check the other side of the brush. If you can take it off, then take it off. And if you flip this dark black part, you will see a hole and a really tiny sponge stuck in the hole. So that's where clogging happens. In my water brush, the particle of the ink built up around these sponges and stopped pushing the flow. I usually use safety pin, poke the sponge out with the needle part and don't make it fling. And just rub it off with the water and put it all back. So yeah, this is my favorite tool. Thanks for watching. See you next time.